Okay, so what we're going to talk about today is how to create list in HTML. So there's actually two kinds of lists in HTML. The first one, which we're going to do, is an unordered list. So in Microsoft Word, when we're talking about an unordered list, it's actually the same as your bulleted list. Okay, so let's now start coding. As you can see, this is exercise number _05.html. Okay, so let's now start our writing our HTML template. So we have HTML title, forgot, sorry, should be head, HTML. So let's try to call this one as our HTML list. Now using our h1, which was done previously, let's call this particular page as HTML unordered list h1. Now usually it should be inside our UL. Okay, /UL, then li /li. So UL means unordered and li is the element of our unordered list. Okay, so let's try this time to add elements on our list. So we have avocado, li, banana, cantaloupe, I don't know the spelling of cantaloupe, so let's try to cantaloupe, that's it, sorry. So li, it's D, we have durian, okay, let's try to add only 4. Now let's try to preview this particular HTML file. So let's try to click run. Then we have here Firefox. Okay, now as you've noticed, we only try to specify UL to indicate that this is actually our unordered list. So on exercise numbers _06 or exercise number 6, we are going to write ordered list. Okay, let's try to differentiate ordered list from unordered list by and by. Okay, let's try to wait for my Firefox. Okay, let me try to open. Okay, now as you've seen, HTML unordered list, it's preceded by a dot. Okay, the dot signifies it doesn't have to be any particular order. Okay, that's your unordered list, so that's called our HTML unordered list.